Presenting MGHS Hybrid Plus. Hindi siya nagsalita.
Sasabay ako. Sige. May Cadilina, sales manager.
2025 nominee.
Sino na ba?
Ikaw na.
Ay, wala pa yung camera eh. Auto Icon Group.
I'm Rizen Calpito. Today, we are taking a closer look at European Car of the Year 2025 nominee.
I'm Mike Cadilina, Sales Manager of MG Alabang Auto Icon Group.
And I'm Rizen Calpito, Sales Consultant of MG Alabang. Presenting MGHS Hybrid Plus.